I'm Kenton, and this is Kenton Knows. This is a video tour of 1141 West Addison, Unit Number 1 in Chicago, Illinois. This is a 3-unit building located in the Wrigleyville neighborhood of Chicago. It's less than a block from Wrigley Field. As you enter the building through the right-hand gate, you approach the mailboxes, which are on your left. Going up the stairs, there are 2 doors. The one on the right is for unit number 1. Entering the unit, you enter a foyer, and right off the foyer is a coat closet with the furnace. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit with central heat and central air. You have nice large windows and a ceiling fan in the dining room. Here is the digital and programmable thermostat. Entering the living room with the ceiling fan, you also have some large windows, high ceilings, and the first bedroom is off to the left. This bedroom has a ceiling fan, 2 windows, and is large enough for a king-size bed with room for furniture and a very large mirrored closet. As you can see, it's a large closet, and behind the clothes is some extra storage. Going towards the back, on the right is the bathroom with a nice shower and sink and some storage. Across from the bathroom is the laundry and hot water heater. And then the second bedroom is in the back with a ceiling fan, and a nice sized mirrored closet. Outside the second bedroom is the kitchen with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a large deep sink. Out the back door, there is a nice large porch. And then there's parking for 9 cars, so this unit would have the center row, which will allow you to park 3 cars.